Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So in this video we are going to do the no internet prank plus the only vector challenge. So this is a double. So the first 3 rounds we are going to act like we don't have internet. In the last round we are going to use only vectors and let's win. We are going to win. So let's see how it goes. So first let me introduce to our squad. So this is me, Dino, who's just getting shot right now. Beside me is Gucci Suman, our leader. Beside Gucci Suman is Shitra, and beside Shitra is Kirtan. And guys, please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to see your support. This is round 2. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Sorry for the background disturbance if you can hear any background noises. By the way, me and Kshitij are twins. Wow. Anyways, let's continue. So this is round 2 of us losing. We are standing still. And guys, please give a like to see more challenges and prank videos. And guys, even there will be a giveaway if you subscribe in subscriber goal. So please keep yourself subscribed. And guys, if I want really good nice ideas, so please comment down below any great ideas you want to see in our channel. So this is round 3. This is the last round of us staying like we don't have internet. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so guys, round 3 of us losing. Let's see how it goes. So we all are standing still, as you can see. We are waiting for them to kill us. We are waiting for them to kill us. And guys, please hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. This is round 3 where we are dead again. This is the last round where we are dead, and this round onwards we are going to use only vectors. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna take double vector, and we can use horizontal line, glue wall, and that kind of things, obviously. So this is double vector, and let's see how it goes. I'm sure they will not be seeing this coming. Okay, so double vector in our hands. One knock. Let's see. Oh no. Okay.
One knock. Okay.
Yay. So this round done. Let's go to the second round. Okay. So 3, and then I'm gonna take a little more repair kits. Oh no, I can take. Okay, I have double vector. I mistakenly took one more. Okay guys, let me just use my repair kit, and I'll buy one extra. Okay, so we are all trying to stay together, which gets a great bond so that we don't die. So one guy knocked, 2 guys knocked in fact, 2 more to go. Oh my god, Kirtu getting knocked. Let's see if we can save him. Okay, he got revived by a horizontal line. Let's kill this guy. Oh no. Sorry, mistakenly took off woodpecker instead of vector. As we're doing the only vector, we can't take any other gun. So let's see how it goes. Oh, he's right here. And he's dead. So our second round comeback is going. So let's see what happens in the third round of our comeback. Okay, so we are ready with our double vectors. Let's see how it goes. So we all are sticking together as I told you earlier. Okay, we are all behind this rock. I mean a bus or a van. Let's jump here. Okay, glue wall. Nice timing. One knock, two knock. Let's go. OP. Okay, just want to go back to the glue wall and victory. So as you can see, it's 3-3. So this is the match point. Let's see our OP comeback is possible or not. And guys, I hope try this challenge yourself and comment down below how it went. So 3, 2, 1, and let's start with the last round. We all are going from this way. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so guys, we're going to the big house here. I'm with Kuchi Suman, our leader. Oh, and this guy is dead, and then this guy is dead too. Let me just revive Suman. Oh, he got revived by the horizontal line. Okay, I know guys inside the house. Let's see if Kshitij can kill him. Oh, I think he ran away. Oh, wow. Okay, that was great. And we got a booyah. Let's go. So guys, thanks for watching. Please try this challenge yourself. Bye bye.